Hi guys, welcome. Today we are going to be making an oil blend. Now I love using these things on my skin because they are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. They have all the necessary vitamins that you need for your skin. So they help to reduce forehead wrinkles, the deep laugh lines. They even help with sagging a jawline. But best of all, they help to keep your skin moisturized. They also help to keep your skin glowing. They give that skin that natural glass-like glow. I love these oils. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to mix a blend of very special oils to make a perfect anti-aging oil blend. So if you're looking for smooth skin, if you're looking for hydrated skin, if you're looking for reducing wrinkles and fine lines while boosting collagen and elastin in the skin, this video is for you. So let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Before we jump in the kitchen, guys, most of these oils you can find on our website ALESMAXii.com. So click on that view product or look in the description box below for links for these products that we're using today. And one more thing before we go, don't forget to watch the video to the end. For this oil blend, all you need is 1 to 2 drops on the skin, and I want you to press it on the skin, like just press it on your skin, and you're going to use it daily. You can also take a drop and put it in your body lotion and rub it all over your body. For those of you with very dry skin, this is also for you. So let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. Now my first oil is going to be some coconut oil, and coconut oil acts on the skin as a humectant which lock the moisture in the skin. It is an amazing oil for dry skin, but guess what, guys, it's an amazing oil for all skin type, because once it lock that moisture in the skin, your skin is going to be soft, smooth and supple. So to start, we're using it as a base oil, and we're using about a tablespoon of the coconut oil. So for this recipe, we're using 2 based oil. So we're going to be mixing the coconut oil with the grapeseed oil. Now the grapeseed oil is a much lighter oil than the coconut oil. So when you mix the two together, it's going to get somewhere in the middle. It's not going to be too heavy, nor is it going to be too light. It's just going to be perfect, especially for this time of the year. And not only that, it makes it great for all skin type. So we're going to use also a tablespoon of the grapeseed oil. Now the grapeseed oil is an amazing oil for oily skin, since it is such a light oil. It's one oil that all skin type can use. This oil will not clog the pores. It's just go right on the skin, seep into the pores and plump that skin up. It helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. So here in our bowl, we have 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which is our base oils. And now we're just going to take a whisk, and we are just going to whisk the 2 oils together. And yes, we're whisking the 2 oils since one is a very light oil and one is a very heavy oil. So once we mix the 2 together, it will now neutralize the 2 oils and make them just right for the skin. So this is done, our base oil. Base oil is just the same as a carrier oil. And now we're going to add some special oils to this. Now the first oil I'm going to use is some aloe vera oil, and I like this oil on my skin. It is also a very light oil. Aloe vera oil helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boosts collagen and elastin. But another special thing about the aloe vera oil is that it also helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. It's another oil that you can use on your skin regardless of your skin type. We're using just a teaspoon of the aloe vera oil. Pouring this in. Now before we start to mix again, we're going to reach for some jojoba oil, and this is a very good oil to use on the skin. It's an oil that you can use also in your ear. The jojoba oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. Using the jojoba oil on the skin can also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines and boost collagen and elastin on the skin. Just a drop or 2 of this jojoba oil directly on the skin is also great for the skin, and keep the skin hydrated. You can also use this jojoba oil all over your body. I'm using just a teaspoon of the jojoba oil. So right now we have grapeseed oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, and aloe vera oil. This is an anti-aging oil blend that we're making for all skin type, whether you have dry skin, whether you have oily skin, or even sensitive skin. Mixing and mixing well. Remember guys, if you do not have all these oils that I'm using, use any 4, any 5 of your favorite oils. And now we are moving on and take a look at what I have. This is some squalene oil, and this is a very popular oil, especially when it comes on to anti-aging. Now squalene oil is good for all the skin type. It's mimic your natural oils on the skin, and that's what makes it so great for the skin. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon of the squalene oil, pouring that in. And now we're gonna just mix, and we are gonna mix well. Now guys, I have rosehip seed oil and papaya seed oil. Remember, you do not have to use all the oils that I use in this. Use any 4, any 5 oils that you have. Remember, grapeseed oil is a base, coconut oil is a base. I mix the two. You can choose to use either, or if you have both, you go ahead and use both. So now we're going to add about a half a teaspoon of the papaya oil. This is what's really going to kick it up a notch. And papaya seed oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines. If you have papaya seed oil, just take 2 to 3 drops. Use it on your skin nightly. You can use it over your moisturizer. It just changed the game. Or use this oil right after your moisturizer. Now I'm also going to use some rosehip seed oil, and this is another anti-aging oil that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. I'm only using about a half a teaspoon of the rosehip seed oil. And now guys, this is such an amazing oil blend. We are just blending it all together, and we are mixing and mixing well. An oil blend that you can use on your face and your neck and all over your body. It is a very light oil that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, omega-3. Now we have an optional oil, which is vitamin E oil. You can choose to use vitamin E oil, or you can choose to use some vegetable glycerine. We're just adding about 4 drops of the vitamin E oil. This is an oil that also gonna have to keep your oils fresher for longer. So vitamin E oil, and this oil guys is now ready. The perfect oil blend to use on the skin. So now let's reach for a jar. Now let me go ahead and pour this out. There it is, your anti-aging facial oil. No need to store this in the refrigerator. Store it on your countertop. Another thing that you can do with this oil is take 2 to 3 drops, add it to your favorite body lotion, and use it all over your body. There you have it. Thank you all for watching, and guess what, you make it to the end, so that's great. I have 2 more videos for you to watch, so click on any one of these and watch another video. And guess what, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, this is your time to do so. Go ahead and subscribe so that each time we post a video, you get a notification right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.